Hey YouTube, this is Beck and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be changing into my new backpack. It's not really new, but it has no scratches, no holes in it, no whatever's in it. My mom found it when she was searching through the under the bed, where we store stuff sometimes. And so here it is. It's a black Newfield bag. It's also from Decathlon. Just as my other bag that I showed you. This one is also from Newfield. It's the same style of bag, but this one is smaller and can carry less stuff. So I'm thinking of going back to a bigger one. So let's put all of the things that I have in here into here. See? This one is the bigger one. Let's see what's inside of here. My notebooks. Alright. Going in to the black bag. Ooh, the zippers on this one are new. It's smooth. Let's put them in there. What else do I have? My mask, of course. My masks, of course, in case I need them. And a lot of stuff that I don't use in this backpack also, so I'm gonna throw those away and store them inside of this bag. Whatever else I have in here, nothing of use, so I'm just gonna close that. I'm gonna look at the little compartment now and see what else I have in here. And turns out I don't have much in here either, so this is it. I have carried all my stuff over to this bag now, and it's way more comfortable in there because I can stuff way more things in this bag rather than this little bag over here. Also, with this bag, I'm back. I can also carry this little bag inside of this one when I don't need this one. Yeah! Hell yeah! That's gonna be nice. Let's try to put it in. It's my bag that I got from Amazon. Tor's branding that you can't really see well. Let me stuff it in there. Whoop! It fits right in. See? It's gone. Nothing I don't have anything in the sand anymore. Woo! And most importantly, there is baby wipes. I always get oily in the summers or the winters. It doesn't really matter. So I use this all of the time to wipe my face and my hands when I'm outside. Gotta keep clean. And here it is. Nice. Keeps all my stuff in here without any issues. Wait though. Wait. Because I want to try to put my laptop in there as well. Let's see if it can do that. Little laptop accessories and the cables, of course. Oh, it is. Wow, it is very dusty. So let's wipe it up a little bit first. Damn, look at that. That's nasty. Let's see if it fits it in the backpack now. I hope it will. Okay. It does fit. Nice. And I can close it. That is also pretty nice. Now the bag is very heavy, guys. Very heavy. And it looks like a rectangle because my laptop's in there right now. Cool. It can carry all my stuff that I need without any issues. Let's put it on and see how heavy it is. I'll change your place for a second to show you better. Alright. Here I go with my backpack. Hell yeah, dude. Oh wow. This video has been going on for a long time now. It's 6 minutes 40 seconds, 41, 42, 43. Okay, let's not count. Let's not distract ourselves. I'm basically done with this video. So, thank you for watching me changing my backpack from this green one into this black one. And as you can see, it carries all that I need in there. Hell yeah. See you guys, gals, and non-binary pals on another video.